Hi guys, so the question which we are going to do today is good array. You are given an array of positive integer a of length n. Let's call an array of positive integer b of length n be good and good if ai is not equal to ab. I is in the base. A at the base of I is not equal to a I base. Okay, for all the I from 1 to n. Okay, a1 plus a2 plus so on to an. Same goes here. B1 plus b2 so on to bn. Does a good array exist? Okay, we have to find, does a good array exist? This condition satisfy. Okay, so this is the basics of input. It is guaranteed that the sum of n over all the test cases does not exceed 10 to the power 5. Okay, for each test case output yes without quotes if there exists any good array, otherwise no. Okay, so yeah, like for example you have given 3 is equal to 6 1 2. Okay, in the so the output is 1. Why is it is a good array? In the first test case, possible good array 3 3 3. Some example of not good arrays are 8 1 8 0 1. The array does not consist of only positive integer. 5 2 4. The array does not have the same sum as the given array. Okay, like that. The third 5 to 2, the third element is equal to the third element of the given array. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, this condition should satisfy. Okay, the sum of this array should be equal to the sum of this, and none of these elements should match. Okay, none of these elements should what match. So how we are going to solve it? Like for example, read this also. In the second test case, like this one is the only okay, this one is the only array of positive integer of length 2 that the sum of the its element is equal to 2. Since 1 1 is the not a good array, the answer is no. Obviously, because we have to have, what I can say, the array does not consist of only positive integer. I mean, other than that we don't have any option 1 1 to make a sum of 2, so that's why the answer is no. Let's write the code. Make sure it is big. Okay, so maybe it's visible you guys properly. Yeah, let's write the code. What, man, I mean, come on. Okay, there is a config issue in my lazy vim. Int n is equal to sin n. Okay, declare a vector long array size and okay, then for loop int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, then sin sum is equal to plus is equal to ai. Okay, if n is equal to 1, see out no. Okay, and then continue. Yeah, and then ll equals to mil sum equal to 0 for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, if ai is equal to 1, min sum plus 2, else min sum plus 1. Okay, and if min sum greater than sum, same sum is less than n, then for that case see out and else see out. Yes. Okay. Yeah, return statement. Let's now compile the code. Just a second. C++ 1856. Okay, that's one. No. C. Okay. Then C 1856, 1856. Okay, so there are a lot of errors. Let's check it out. I mean, come on, dude. Okay, there are issues. Let's first check out what's the error. Sum. Okay, we haven't declared the sum. Okay, so there is also error inside the continue. What's the error? Continue statement not within the loop. It's not within the loop. Okay. Okay, I'm getting the point. Continue statement is in the loop. Just a second. If n is equal to 1, see out error. We have entered this LLM. Means sum is also correct. Sum is also correct. This is also correct. Everything seems alright. Statement is not within the loop. Okay. We didn't declare a test case. Just a second. Okay. While. That's what I'm forgetting. I forget the test cases, number of test cases. Okay, let's run this test cases. So yeah, the code is working tremendously fine, as you can see. I mean, yeah guys, that's it. Let me explain you little code how it is working like. Okay, it's gonna take some time. Yeah, so 1856, come on. Let's run a simple test case like 1 comma. Let's read first test case 1 comma 3 6 1 2 3 6 1 2. Okay, answer is yes. Why is yes? So let's see how the code is working. We have entered the number of integers, then we'll enter the values and make take a sum of it. Okay, then what we'll do, if n is equal to 1, then output obviously will be going to no, and it will continue. Then minimum sum. Okay, minimum sum is equal to 0, and for loop it will iterate till the nth index. I mean n iteration, it will take n iteration. And if ai is equal to 1, okay, minimum sum will increment it by 2. Else if it not, then minimum sum incremented by 1. Okay, so minimum sum, here's the main crux of the question. If minimum sum is greater than sum, or if minimum sum, I mean not sum, is less than n, then the output is no, else the output is yes. So as you can see the test cases, sum is what? Sum is around 9. Okay, and minimum sum would be what? First iteration it would be 1, second iteration it would be 3, third iteration it would be 1. So it is minimum sum is 4. In this test case, minimum sum is greater than sum, false. Sum is 9, minimum sum is 4. Else sum is less than n is what? 3, minimum sum is 9. So this condition won't implement, else it will print yes. Okay, so that's how the code is working, guys. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply it. So yeah, thank you for watching.